Hi, this is Tom Varcie with Military Embedded Systems. I'm here at the Acromag headquarters in Wixom, Michigan with Roland Demko, National Sales Manager at Acromag. Hi, Roland.
How are you?
I'm doing well. Roland, tell me about Acromag and what you guys do.
Well, Acromag's been in the embedded solutions business for over 30 years. And we've grown from just offering simple inputs and outputs and FPGAs and things, and we've actually started to add a new line of processors to our line. And this is one of our latest products here.
Excellent. Roland, can you tell me about your latest product?
Well, we can. One of the things that we did was we commissioned our CPU designers to come up with a COM Express Type 6 CPU. This COM Express Type 6 CPU has a heavy heat sink on it, removable memory, supporting up to 16 gigabytes of memory. And what we did was we also added conduction-cooled rails. Now, in addition to adding just conduction-cooled rails, it also offers a lot of support on the edge of the module, so that when you're in a rugged application, and that's one of the targets that we have in this industry right now is rugged applications, this can bolt down and be very, very secure. And what we did with that was we took that and combined that with our embedded I/O technology, and we came up with something we call the ARCs. You'll see here it's an industrial, military-grade computer system with 38999 connectors on the front. The middle connector here is for the CPU I/O that would come out to the field. The left and right large 38999 connectors are for the rear I/O of the modules that are inside, and I'll show you that in a second, and the power comes in here. And that supports a wide range of power from 12 to 36 volts DC. Now what we did was we took the COM Express technology and combined that with our other COTS technology. And that's one of the specialty things of Acromag is COTS technology. COTS stands for commercial off the shelf. And one of the things that distinguishes us from a lot of other people, we try to build on COTS building blocks to make our products, so that basically you can use standard PMC and XMC form factor products, and even the Type 6 CPU is a COTS form factor. You'll find this CPU on the underside of this chassis, and we have our power supply unit right in here. And then on the top side of the card, we actually have a location where we can put one XMC PMC module here and another XMC PMC module over here. Now the rear I/O from these modules come out through the 38999 connectors, as I mentioned before. If you should have front I/O on there, we did make provisions for you to actually be able to open up the back of the case and let front I/O. In some cases, when you have a high-speed analog signal, you need to use the SMA or SMB or SMC type connectors. In those cases, coming through a 38999 is not going to be sufficient, and you really need to come out the back and actually have that type of connection directly to the outside world. So we made provision for that as well. Now, inside of here, what you'll also find is that we have two mini PCIe or mSATA slots. mSATA is used basically to put a large storage device. You can get mSATA cards up to 512 gigabytes. And mini PCIe cards can be anything from a 1553 card to a radio modem to a phone modem. So this can actually become a cell phone if you really put a modem in there and an antenna and you put it up to your ear. I don't think you're going to do that, but you can do that. Now we've also got an enhancement to this right now that we're just releasing, which actually adds two removable SSD devices on the top. It will take a 2.5 inch up to a 9.5 millimeter SSD device. And this whole system is IP68, so we're really in, we can operate underwater. That's what I can tell you.
Wow. I'd like to see that. That would be really cool.
Well, you got to go over to our lab and you can see that.
Excellent. Roland, that was a great product demonstration. Thank you very much. This is Roland Demko, National Sales Manager at Acromag. If you want to see their products, go to their website, www.acromag.com. For Military Embedded Systems, I'm Tom Varcie. You can also see Acromag's products on our website by going to www.millembedded.com.